LAZR stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I'm looking at the Luminar Technologies and I see a very great start of the week, let's put it this way. 30% up. I've done 37,000 videos, 5 figures investing courses and mentors over the last 5 years, and all the proof is documented on my YouTube channel. But with LAZR, you can see the last 2 predictions that I got were both bearish, right? And I do have the proof to back it up because nobody else on YouTube is going to show this. Like even 8 months ago when it was sitting at $2, it's bearish, but that was like before the reverse split. Since then, I mean, then up until now, 240 days. I can do the math, like 9 months. If I'm not mistaken. That is it. Let me see. 8 months. It delivered towards the lows, and now it's still in a bearish range. Like, I'm not saying it's going to be forever, but for right now, sure thing is that I'm only going to be bullish if I start seeing some breaks potentially above 740. But other than that, it's just a bearish market. And yeah, I'm not willing to be just forcing no movements here. So that's how LAZR is looking like. What I'll do here is I'll put like a little confirmation. All I will keep doing in the meantime is I'll keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. That is a free newsletter. Goodbye.